This is the word sort for December 1st, 2015. This sort will probably be pretty easy for you guys to do all by yourselves. You're going to place the black header cards AL, IAL, and IC at the top of your deck, and then you're going to place the words that have the suffixes AL, like fictional, IAL, like burial, and IC, like magnetic, underneath the proper suffixes. So once again, the three suffixes this week are AL, IAL, and IC. So all of these suffixes basically suggest words that are associated with the base word. So for example, when we think about fictional, we're thinking about something being related to fiction. So think about the part of speech. If I use this word in a sentence, I love to read fictional books. What part of speech is that? Where does that word fictional come? It comes right before the book. So am I describing the books? If I'm describing the books as fictional books, what part of speech is that? Let's look at burial. When we think about a burial, we're thinking about something related to being buried, or bury, that base word bury. You'll also notice that bury, the base word, is spelled B-U-R-Y. So some of these words are going to have spelling changes when you add on the suffix. So think now about not only what the meaning of the word burial means, relating to bury or buried, but also think about the part of speech. What is a burial? If you don't know the meaning of the word or you don't know the part of speech, be sure to look up these words on wordsmith.net. Also record the meanings of these words that you don't know in your word study notebook. Okay, so in our final suffix, IC, as in magnetic, so something to do with a magnet, relating to or associated with a magnet. So if something is magnetic or has magnetic properties, what is magnetic? We could have a magnetic locker. So maybe the locker is able to hold magnetic items or hold magnets on it. So think about the meaning of the word again and think about the part of speech. So if something's magnetic, what part of speech is that? So go ahead and sort all of your words, paying attention to the suffix and figuring out where they go. Dramatic, coastal. Think about not only sorting the words properly under the proper suffix, which is the easy part, but also thinking about, are there spelling changes, such as with memorial and burial? So think about the base word. The base word for memorial is memory. So memorial, what does a memorial have to do with a memory? So think about how the base word should be able to help you figure out the meaning of the base word plus suffix. Any words, again, you don't know, record them, find the definition so that they can be added to your brains. Okay, and you have new words that you've learned. Okay, so I expect you to have some words written down that you don't know in the definitions when we meet tomorrow. And I also expect you to be thinking about the part of speech. Go ahead and sort your words.